Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'll be unboxing and setting up and giving a quick overview of this new tablet. As you can see, it's a Realme pad and it's a Wi-Fi only version. It's the base model, and in the setup you can see it has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabyte of ROM. And this is how the box looks like, and as you can see, price mentioned is 22,000 rupees, and I got it from Flipkart during the sale for around 12,000 rupees. You could have got it for much more cheaper if I had a SBI debit card, credit card, and the price would have been 10,800 rupees. So for this price, 2K display, Android 11 tablet is very good, and that too, the build quality of this tablet is completely made out of metal. So let's take a look. By the way, I got this in gold color. On top of, you can see the tablet nicely packed. Now, on first, the moment you pick the tablet up, uh, you will notice how light the tablet is. Let's take a look at the contents. You get a quick charge brick, and over here you can see it's 9 volt and 2 amps, so it's a 18-watt fast charger, and a USB type A to type C charging cable. Let's take a look at the cable quality. Now it's a standard USB type C cable which you get with most devices nowadays, so nothing fancy. I'm impressed by the size and the wattage of the quick charge provided, the charger. Got a small setup manual, and at the end you'll see it also has the warranty card, so keep it safe. Now at the bottom you can see it's a SIM ejector pin, but it doesn't have a SIM. It's instead of a SIM you'll get a micro SD card slot, and the memory slot can be expanded up to 2 terabytes, as claimed by the company. As you can see, very nice looking screen, completely glossy. I took out the serial number sticker from the back. Now let's take a look at the back. The body is completely made of metal all around, and in front it's screen protection is given by Corning Gorilla Glass. It does come with quad speakers. You have 2 speaker slots or grills on top, as you can see, and on the left side you see the power on off button. Now when you're holding it for the first time, if you are a new tablet users like me, you'll find it very light and thin. Its thickness is 6.9 millimeters, and at the bottom you see 2 speaker grills and USB type C port. You can see the front facing camera on the side, as you can make out that you have to hold the tablet in the landscape mode. Now while it's booting up for the first time, by the way, it's real-time boot. Google welcome screen is there.